Say, I did it! What? What are you telling me, Papito? Do you like your Play-Doh? Wow, I love what you're doing, Mamita. I love that skirt that you made for your princess. And now that you know how to use that roll, you're doing a fantastic job. Look at you, Mama. Wow. Wow. What do you need, Papa? Why did you throw it? You don't need to throw stuff, okay? You need my help? I'll help you. Here. You don't need my help? Psst, psst. I love you. I love you.
I second your diagnosis. And you're right. A good wash is just what this baby needs.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. There.
Oops. We're out of soap. I'll be right back.
You did it! Uh-oh. Oopsie daisy.
Can we, Doc? Well, you both can't use
Are you tired, Mommy?
I'm ready. Got the soap.
Oh, I love that skirt. Oh, look what you made. Where are you gonna put it, Mama? Is that the skirt for the princess? No? Is that my skirt? Oh, it's for the princess. It looks beautiful, 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 beautiful. I just love it. I chaka what? I chaka. Chaka. There you go. You did it. Ayun, dyan pa nakandong mo.